What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we have a Lincoln with a sunroof that doesn't work, and we're gonna go ahead and show you how to operate that sunroof manually. Okay, that's the point of this video today. All right, guys, so in order to get to these motors right here, first thing you need to do is you need to remove the sides, which is you just pull a couple of clips. And then what I did, as you can see, these motors, I put a lead, I put direct power to the motor, because sometimes these modules go bad and it won't react and it won't do anything with the car, right? So what I did is I took it off and I reinstalled it. And since this doesn't have the manual adjustment with the Allen wrench, you're gonna have to do it like that. So I put my positive and my negative on those two leads right there, which are direct power to the motor. That thing is plugged in, and now I put one of the leads on the positive. Here, we're gonna put it on the positive just like that, so it's grabbing it. And then on the negative, I'm gonna have somebody else hold my phone right here, my sister. She's gonna record it, and let's see if you can do it. I just gotta tap it, and it's opening it right now. So if you wanna close it, you just reverse the leads. Show them right here, this one. So right now, originally I had it in positive and negative, and this opens it. Okay, so I need to close it. In order for me to close it, I just gotta reverse the leads. I put the positive right here, and then I put the negative on the positive on the other side, and it's gonna go backwards. So once I do this, tap it, you're gonna close the sunroof, and if you continue to open it, you're gonna open it all the way. So this is how you adjust it without using the buttons. All right. So check this out, guys. Now it's open, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and close it. And you can do this if the motor works, if the motor doesn't work, if it's on track, if it's not on track, you know. And then boom, you're done. There you go. That's how you manually close an automatic sunroof that is stuck. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.